Are you new to investing, or are you a seasoned investor? Either way, this might be the online broker for you. In today's video, I review the pros and cons of TD Direct Investing. Make sure you watch this to the end to find out if they are right for you. What is TD Direct Investing? It's an online brokerage where a self-directed investor can trade investments such as stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, GICs, bonds, IPOs and new issues, and precious metal certificates. TD Direct Investing, formerly TD Greenline and TD Waterhouse, was the first bank-owned self-directed brokerage in Canada. In 1996, TD's web broker was Canada's first online brokerage. And today, it's still one of Canada's largest online broker. With that being said, let's get into the pros. Number 1, TD Direct's Learning Center. This year, TD Direct launched a Learning Center to help educate their clients on their investing journey. This Learning Center includes video lessons, master classes, and webinars. In the video lessons, they have 3 courses: New to Investing, Portfolio Management, and Web Broker Essentials. These courses can be broken down into lessons so you can skip the ones you don't want to watch. In the master classes, you can check the upcoming schedule and register for the ones that interest you. In these master classes, the instructors are available to take your questions. In the webinar section, you can watch older webinars on demand or register for upcoming webinars and watch them live. These webinars include special guest speakers, instructors, and industry specialists. Number 2, Goal Assist. Also this year, TD Direct launched a new feature called Goal Assist. This feature allows you to set up your investing goals and help you with asset allocation to help you reach your goals. You can track your projection and your performance so you can make the necessary adjustments to reach your goals. This can be useful when saving for retirement or any big purchase. Number 3, the TD E-Series funds. Popularized by the Canadian couch potato, the E-Series funds are the cheapest and easiest way to build a diverse portfolio. With the TD E-Series funds, you don't pay any commissions when trading the funds. You pay an MER fee. And the TD E-Series funds have some of the lowest MER fees for an index mutual fund portfolio in Canada. Because you don't have to pay commissions, you can set up automatic deposits and automatically buy the funds depending on your asset mix. And since they are mutual funds, you can buy fractional shares. Other than building your portfolio, the only other maintenance involved is rebalancing. Also, I should mention that TD has other mutual funds and they have commission-free trades as well. Number 4, the Signup Bonus. Open a new RRSP or TFSA and contribute at least $1,000 and get a $100 bonus. Conditions include maintaining the balance till April 30th, 2020 and purchasing the qualifying products. This is currently the best bang for your buck sign-up bonus for an online broker. The next best would be get $50 in free trades when you deposit $1,000 with Questrade. Number 5, market data and research tools. TD Direct provides some of the most market data available that is easy to read and understand. For your casual trader, level 1 real-time snap quotes are available through the web broker and the TD app. For the active trader, level 2 real-time streaming quotes are available through the advanced dashboard or the Thinkorswim platform. TD Direct also offers a diverse set of researching tools, including stock screeners, charts, reports, alerts, wish lists, analyst ratings, technical insights, calendars, and news and commentary. TD Direct's market data and research tools are above average and can be a major factor when choosing an online broker. And number 6, they have 24/7 telephone support. Since 1988, TD Direct has been offering 24/7 telephone service by a licensed investment representative. TD Direct is the only online broker in Canada to provide 24/7 telephone support. Most brokers are only offering Monday to Friday and unavailable in the night. And also TD Direct support is offered in 4 different languages: English, French, Cantonese, and Mandarin. If you like this video so far, hit the like button and share this with a friend. Doing this will help my channel and videos reach more people. Now let's get into the cons. Number 1, no commission-free ETF trades. TD Direct charges commissions on all ETFs when buying and selling. If you wanted to buy ETFs on a weekly or monthly basis, these commission fees will eat up all your gains. So dollar cost averaging is not possible. You would need to save up and buy a bunch of shares at once, but then you lose time in the market. There is online brokers out there that offer free ETFs when buying, and you only get charged when it's time to sell, like Questrade or Virtual Brokers. Another broker to consider for free ETFs is Wealthsimple Trade, as they offer commission-free trades on Canadian and US ETFs. The second con, the high commission fees. TD Direct charges $9.99 when buying or selling Canadian and US stocks and ETFs. These trading fees are among the highest in Canada, comparable to other big brokers like Scotia iTrade, BMO Investor Line, and RBC Direct Investing. There are many online brokers out there that charge a lot less, like CIBC Investor's Edge charges $6.95 per trade. Questrade charges $4.95 minimum at 1 cent per share till max at $9.95. Interactive brokers charge $1 per trade at 1 cent per share, and Wealthsimple Trade doesn't charge a trading fee. If you're interested in learning more about Wealthsimple Trade, click this link up here or look for the link in the video description. And while you're there, if you want to help support the channel, check out some of my affiliate links. Now the third con, TD Direct's reduced trading fee. In order to get the reduced trading fee, or sometimes called an active trader's fee, you need to make 150 trades per quarter. And the reduced trading fee is still a hefty $7 per trade, while most brokers charge around $5 for the reduced trading fee. That being said, if you're doing 150 trades per quarter, you're probably better off with interactive brokers $1 trades or virtual brokers $1.99 trades. And the fourth con, the maintenance fee. TD Direct charges a $25 per quarter maintenance fee. On top of the high trading fees, these maintenance fees can also lower your gains. But these maintenance fees can be waived through the household program. To qualify, one of the following must be met: account balance exceeding $15,000, register for a SIP, pre-authorized deposit or contribution of at least $100 per month, complete 3 or more trades with commission, hold a registered disability savings plan, and if you are in the first 6 months of opening your first account. If you can't make any of these requirements, maybe you're better off with Questrade or Virtual Brokers. Both only require a $5,000 balance in order to waive the maintenance fee or 1 commission trade per quarter. Also, Virtual Broker waives the fee if you are under the age of 26 and under the age of 25 for Questrade. In conclusion, TD Direct has a lot to offer for the newbie investor or the experienced investor. In my opinion, because of the high fees, this online broker is best for a buy and hold strategy, dividend investing, or a couch potato portfolio. Also because of the easy to use platform, learning center, market data and researching tools, goal assists, and the E-Series funds, this online broker is perfect for someone who is just starting their investing journey.
And it's gone.
But before you start investing, make sure you save up for your emergency fund. In my next video, I will tell you the best place to park your emergency fund. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss when that video comes out. If you got any questions or comments, comment below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace!